Normally we want to shrink the panels to make them a little bit smaller, so when they're pulled out to their original size, the fabric will be taut and well tensioned. We specify the amount of shrink in the X and Y here in mPanel Production. The X and Y actually refer to the panel X and Y. I'll show you that in just a moment. The amount of shrink that we need depends on the fabric. In some fabrics it will need to be, for example, 1% in both directions. In other fabrics it would be a larger amount in one direction than the other. Just as an example here, I'm going to use 5% of shrink in the X direction and nothing in the Y direction. You'd select the panels, shrink the panels. We've got the old ones in red, and we can see that the panels have shrunk by 5% in the X direction sideways and have not changed in length in the Y direction. I'm going to back up a couple of stages till we go back to the original panels before we shrunk them. I just want to quickly rotate these panels around in Rhino to an arbitrary angle. I'll run the shrink tool again, and we can see that we've obtained exactly the same results, no matter which way the panels are oriented, and that's why we say that the X and Y refer to the panel X and Y and not to the X and Y on the screen. Generally you can think of Y as being the warp direction and X as being the fill or weft direction of the fabric.